How to remove a message on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Android Play Store. Like this, yes, you have to install it from your this device of your Android. Then you can see open the Messenger app in your phone. You can see the desktop of the Messenger will appear in front of you, and you can see here different options at the bottom: chats option, calls option, people, and the stories. Just you have to open the chat of the person and select the text which you want to remove that from your chat. Before removing the text, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Just you have to hold on and you can see there is an option of remove. When you have to click on remove, it means it is being unsent or removed for you. When you have to click a message removed for you, that will be removed only in your chats and that person will be able to see. If you click on unsent, that message will be unsent to that person. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.